Hello, welcome to DanAnna's kitchen. We have many questions on our Instagram about oatmeal, a simple dish like oatmeal. We eat a lot of oatmeal, so today I'm gonna make one of the versions we do for oatmeal. And this one includes apples, we got oats, regular normal oats, salt of course, super important to me. I don't like oatmeals without salt, and cinnamon to have a little bit of a sweet, and cardamom as well. So I will chop up some apple and boil it up, and then I will put in oats after, and salt and everything. So I will go for one big portion. For me is 80 grams, so I will go for 80 grams of oats. 73, and of course, and this is a good one because you don't need any batteries for this scale, and I think it's nice with a little bit of extra salt in it, and then just stir around. But and then I will put this on the plate and start to chop the apple. We have some boil, so that's nice. So now I'm cutting up the last piece of apples. And why this red apple? Just because it's 20 crowns a kilo, so €1.80 or something like that. So that's why we bought it, and I boiled up some extra water for faster oatmeal. So I will boil this for a few minutes. I will, of course, this is Anna's lovely grinder for the cardamom. I think the name is cardamom, and I will have it in there. So it's a little bit, the flavor is going to be a little bit like a cake, and that's nice. When you're a little bit on a diet, it feels nice, and a lot of cinnamon. That feels good as well. And these apples, they are soft, so you don't need them to boil for such a long time. And the smell now from the cinnamon and the cardamom smells delicious. So now just boil for a few minutes, say 3-4 minutes to get the apples out in the water and the spices in. And then I will put in the oatmeal as well, oatmeal with the salt inside. Now it has boiled down a little bit, the apples. So now I just put in the oatmeal. And I almost never eat this directly. I wait a few hours, because then it can stand around and get the flavors from each other. And I will put on the top of this, I will put some regular cork, no, vanilla cork. We have vanilla cork, so I just will put that on top, or we have a natural yogurt or milk or something. It's flavorful of that too. So, and now the smells is super nice, and if it stands around, it sets a little bit. So I don't want too much water in the oatmeal, because I want a little bit of a thicker structure, so it's almost tastes like a cake with the vanilla cork as well. So I'm going to show you the finished result later, but it's now going to boil out a lot of water, so it's going to be almost like a little cake on the plate here. So it's super flavorful, and it feels like a little bit of a cake. And now me and my lovely wife Anna, we are a little bit on a diet, so we think what do we eat. So this is, I think it's like for 500 calories with the cork and the apple and the oatmeal, and it's 80 grams of oatmeal, so it's a lot of oats. So it's but then it feels a little luxurious in nighttime, and you, oh, I got a big plate of cake. So that's nice as well. And so a little bit excited about this, and tomorrow I'm gonna show you, then I'm gonna make another little special oatmeal dish. I'm gonna make fried oatmeal, so it's a little bit of one of my specialties as well, because I really like fried oatmeal. But stay tuned, this boiled for 1 more minute, then I will put it in a plate and then I rest for a few hours, and then I will show you how it looks. And we are done. Now you can see it's have dried up, so maybe a few hours later, well, maybe it is a few hours later. And this is Anna, so maybe one day you can see how she makes hers. It's totally different. And now I just will put on maybe 2 tablespoons of quark on here, and then it's done. And like I said, it's this big portion with 100 grams of quark. It's around 500 calories, 450, 500 something. And the same with Annas. So thank you for coming along, and it was nice to have you here, and I'm super grateful for watching this little fast video. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.